Whoa, crypto family, you're going to want to buckle up for this one. SEI Network is showing some serious momentum both on the price action side and in the DeFi plus gaming ecosystem. What's going on, crypto fam? Welcome back to another episode of Goldrush Crypto Daily, your daily dose of crypto news and real-time market breakdowns. Today we've got two spicy SEI articles that caught my attention. First, we'll dig into SEI's price action, battling resistance at 32 cents with some major technical signals flashing bullish. Then we'll pivot into SEI's ecosystem growth, including a record $609 million DeFi TVL and some insane gaming stats that could be game-changing for adoption. If you're holding SEI, thinking about getting in, or just curious about where the smart money might be moving, this one's for you. Before we dive in, smash that like button, subscribe if you're new, and turn on notifications so you never miss these daily breakdowns. Let's jump straight in. All right, let's kick things off with this piece from Brave New Coin. Headline reads, SEI faces 32 cents resistance as buyers attempt to reverse recent declines. Market activity further supports bullish prospects. Analyst Mark Sean Brown notes its daily trading volume of $250 million nearly doubles the combined volumes of Internet Computer, ICP, and Kava. Hold up, that's massive. SEI is literally out-trading ICP and Kava combined. That screams liquidity, which is like oxygen for any token. If people are moving this much volume daily, market makers and big players are paying attention. SEI shows early signs of a rebound after a prolonged decline, supported by a confirmed TD sequential buy signal and bullish RSI divergence. Now this gets me excited. A TD sequential buy signal usually marks the end of a corrective phase. Think about it like a reset button on downward momentum. Pair that with bullish RSI divergence. That's a 1-2 punch for reversal setups. Key Fibonacci resistance levels stand at 32 cents and 34 cents, with a sustained move above 32 cents likely confirming a short-term reversal toward 34 cents. Let me simplify this. Right now, 32 cents is the gatekeeper. If SEI bulls can smash through and hold above it, the door to 34 cents is wide open. Doesn't sound like much, but traders live for these micro-level flips. That kind of move builds momentum and confidence. Analyst Mark Sean Brown observed that SEI's daily trading volume is nearly double ICP and Kava combined. From September 7th onward, daily trading volumes have stayed in the $200, $250 million range. Exactly. Consistency is the key word. Anyone can have a one-day spike in volume, but holding $200, $250 million every day? That's sticky demand. Reminds me of how Solana gained traction in its early days by consistently leading on trading activity. At the time of writing, SEI trades near 32 cents, showing a 6.29% decline in the past 24 hours. All right, don't let the red candles scare you. Remember, markets love to shake people out before the next leg up. The bigger picture is that support at 31 cents has held. That's your line in the sand. As long as SEI doesn't break down there, bulls are in play. That's bullish ammo right there. But wait, the story doesn't end with price action. Article 2 takes us deeper into SEI's fundamentals, and honestly, this is where it gets even more exciting. Now let's check out the second piece from Tron Weekly. Headline, SEI Network sees record $609 million DeFi TVL as gaming ecosystem expands. Interesting timing. While Brave New Coin was focused on technical charts, this one zooms in on ecosystem growth. Perfect combo, price plus fundamentals. Messari's State of SEI Network. Q2 2025 report shows gaming continuing to dominate activity on the chain. The network recorded 49.5 million gaming-related transactions during the quarter, up 24% from Q1. Whoa, 49.5 million gaming transactions, that's insane engagement. And a 24% jump in one quarter? That's sticky adoption, not just speculation. This could be SEI's secret sauce. Hot Spring, a tycoon-style mobile game, overtook World of Dipians as the top contributor. Hot Spring averaged 130,310 daily transactions, a 134.9% quarter-on-quarter jump. Wait, over 130K daily transactions from one game? That's not some hype project. That's real player activity. If SEI becomes the go-to chain for gaming, you better believe liquidity will follow. SEI V2 with EVM compatibility spurred DeFi growth. TVL hit $609.4 million, a 67.8% increase in the quarter. This is huge. EVM compatibility was the missing piece, and now we're seeing the payoff. $609 million locked in DeFi. That's not just gamers, that's DeFi whales parking capital. SEI's stablecoin market cap hit $276.8 million, with USDC making up 84.5%. USDT grew 464.7% after the April migration. Stablecoins equal sign trust. If people are comfortable holding and transacting in stables on SEI, that's a vote of confidence. And a 464% jump in USDT, that's no small signal. Lending and borrowing topped by YAI Finance at $365.9 million TVL, up 90.5%. Takara Lend also jumped 374.9%. This screams growth across the board. Not just one protocol, but multiple players scaling up. This is exactly how ecosystems mature. First games, then DeFi, then full-on network effect. So Article 2 basically paints the picture. SEI isn't just trading volume hype, it's building sticky use cases in gaming, scaling DeFi with $600M plus TVL, and attracting stablecoin liquidity. Combine that with the bullish technical setup from Article 1, you've got both price action and fundamentals aligning. That's the kind of combo that sparks rallies. Key levels I'm watching: 31 cents support, 32 cents breakout. On fundamentals, $700 million TVL is the next milestone, and gaming transactions topping 50M would be crazy bullish. Drop your thoughts in the comments. I read every one. I'll be monitoring that 32 cents breakout zone and the $609 million DeFi TVL growth closely. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the updates. Remember, this is just my opinion based on the data we have today. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Thanks for tuning in to Goldrush Crypto Daily. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Stay bullish, stay sharp, and let's keep chasing that gold.